The country's revenue of 2.27 trillion pesos last year grew by 14.8%. Department of Finance or DOF Secretary Ralph Recto says revenue reached 2.6 trillion pesos from January to July 2024. The DOF chief added this was achieved through the brave digitalization strategies of the Bureau of Internal Revenue, or BIR, and Bureau of Customs, or BOC, as well as the collaboration of the various agencies to boost government's revenue operations and the effort to curb smuggling. It is expected the country's average annual growth will go up by 10.3% every year with the continuation of brave digitalization strategies.
Ang upgrade na ito ay upgrade rin sa buhay ng mga Pilipino dahil maghahatid po ito ng mas maraming investments at negosyo na magdadala ng maraming trabaho at mas mataas na kita para sa bawat Pilipino.